Hello guys, so today we will see how to check whether the linked list is palindrome or not using a Floyd's algorithm. For this I took two linked lists. You can see here I took the first linked list which contains even number of nodes. If you see here we have only 4 nodes, 3, 4, 4 and then 3. And then second linked list contains odd number of nodes. It is 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. It is totally 5 nodes I am having. So how we can find out whether the number of nodes in the linked list is a palindrome or not? So you people know already what is a palindrome. Here the number is 3443. If I write these numbers in reverse, that is 3443, I am going to get the same number. So you can see here also, if I write straight away then 34543, if I write these numbers in reverse then also it is 34543. So if the number is equal when it is written down straight away and then in reverse order also, then it is a palindrome. So now I am going to use slow pointer and fast pointer approach, or otherwise Floyd's algorithm. So for that, so here I already mentioned that slow pointer goes by 1 step and then fast pointer goes by 2 steps. So here I am going to take the first linked list. So here slow pointer goes by 1 hop and then fast pointer goes by 2 hop. And then again slow pointer goes by 1 hop and then fast pointer goes by 2 hop. When the fast pointer reaches null, I will just tell it again. When the fast pointer reaches null or the fast pointer next node is null, then we have to stop the loop. So I will write it here. When the fast pointer or otherwise fast pointer next node is null, then we have to stop the loop. So we have to, so this is a very important condition here. So I'm just writing it again, and then I'm going to do the same for the linked list with the odd number of nodes. So what I'm going to do is, here slow pointer goes by 1 hop and then fast pointer goes by 2 hop. Again slow pointer goes by 1 hop and then fast pointer goes by 2 hop. So here I have to stop the loop because the fast pointer next is null. So you can see here fast pointer next is null, here fast pointer itself is null. So what I am going to do next is, so here the slow pointer stops exactly at the midpoint. So you can see here the slow pointer stops exactly at the midpoint. The slow pointer stops exactly at the midpoint. So what I am going to do here is, I am going to add all the elements till the midpoint to the stack. In case of first linked list, I am going to add 3. I'm going to add 3 first, and then I'm going to add 4. So before the midpoint, we have to add all the elements. So in case of odd, I'm going to add 3, and then I'm going to add 4. So we should not add the midpoint. We just need to add the elements before the midpoint. And then after that, I'm going to traverse the linked list further. So we will see next how to do that. So after finding out the midpoint, I'm going to check an important condition. If the linked list contains odd number of elements. So how we can check whether the linked list contains odd number of elements or not? So I will just tell it again. So I'm going to check whether the number of nodes in a linked list is odd or not. If the fast dot next equal to null, it means that the linked list contains odd number of nodes. So I will just repeat it again. First we have to check, after finding out the midpoint, we have to check whether the linked list contains odd number of elements or not. How to check whether the linked list contains odd number of elements or not is, I'm going to check if the fast.next equal to null. So you can see here, if the linked list contains even number of nodes, then the fast pointer reaches directly null. But if the linked list contains odd number of nodes, then it reaches the last node or not the null. So which means that fast pointer dot next equal to null. So fast pointer dot next equal to null means it contains odd number of nodes. Linked list contains odd number of nodes. So here what I'm going to do is, so if condition, so it is a if condition. So if this is correct, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make slow equal to slow pointer dot next. I'm going to make slow pointer equal to slow pointer dot next. So here I'm going to do slow equal to slow dot next. Just repeat it again. So after finding out the midpoint and adding all those elements in the stack, we have to check whether the linked list contains odd number of nodes or not. So how we can check that is, we can see it here in this diagram. If the linked list contains odd number of nodes, then the fast pointer reaches the last node. When the linked list contains even number of nodes, then the linked list reaches the null. So this one we can take it as a condition. So I'm just writing it here. If the fast dot next equal to null, if the fast dot next equal to null, then I'm going to make the slow equal to slow dot next. If the linked list contains even number of nodes, then I'm not going to do anything. But if the linked list contains odd number of nodes, then I'm going to make a slow equal to slow dot next. So next condition is, or next one we have to check is, I'm going to pop the stack and then I'm going to check whether the remaining elements are equal or not. So here I can check. So here I'm going to pop 4. So here I'm going to pop 4. So here I'm going to pop 4. I'm going to take 4. And then here I'm checking whether it is equal or not. You can see here 4 and then 4 are equal. So elements in the slow pointer 4 and then 4 are equal. Next I'm going to pop 3. I'm going to pop 3. You can see pop 3 and then I'm going to traverse to the next node. So you can check that, you can see that 3 and then 3 are same. So now you can tell that it is a palindrome. So I'm going to do the same process for the second linked list. Now the slow pointer is at 4. Now I'm going to pop 4. So I'm going to check whether these two elements are equal. Yeah, it is equal. So 4 and 4 are equal. Next, I'm moving the slow pointer to the next. And then I'm popping out 3. So it is equal or not? It is equal. So 3 and 3 are equal. So which means that both the linked list is a palindrome. So how to do this diagram, how to implement this diagram in code, we will see it next. So guys, so now we will see how to check whether the linked list is a palindrome or not in code. For that, I took a simple void method as usual, simple main method. So inside that I inserted nodes like 3, 4, 4 and then 3, insert at tail. So if you want to know how to do this insert at tail, you can see my previous videos. And then simply I'm going to print this element. So first I inserted the elements 3, 4, 4, 3 and then I'm printing the elements. Here you can see we are having a linked list with the nodes 3, 4, 4, 3 and then null. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to call a simple method which returns a boolean which is called as check palindrome, and I'm taking this linked list as a input. For the first time I'm returning it false. So now we can write the logic. So first of all, what are all the things we need? We need a slow pointer and then fast pointer. So I'm taking a node slow, which is nothing but list.head. So we can traverse from head. We can only traverse from head in linked list because linked list is not like array. So we know that already. So I'm taking two things, slow and fast pointer, both are at the list head, and then I'm taking a stack. I'm giving integer type stack equal to new stack. Okay, I already imported all those things. Okay, so stack I already imported, and then node. So this one which I created. So this is the node from the linked list which I created. So if you want to know how to create a linked list and all, you can see my previous videos. Okay, so these are all the requirements. I created a slow pointer, fast pointer, and then a stack. So now we need to add the elements till midpoint. So we need to add the elements till midpoint. I'm putting a loop. So here we have to check fast not equal to null. We know that if the linked list contains even number of nodes, then the fast pointer reaches null. So we need to check that one more condition. We have to put and here because we have to check both the conditions. That's why we are putting and condition here. So next thing is we have to check fast dot next not equal to null. Loop. So if the fast is null or fast dot next equal to null, then the loop exits. Okay, so here the first condition is I have to push the elements in the stack, and then I have to make slow equal to slow dot next. Slow pointer goes by 1 hop, and then fast pointer goes by 2 hop. Clear? Yeah. So simply I put it. I have one while loop where I check two condition, fast not equal to null, and then fast dot next not equal to null. I pushed all the data, not all the data, till the midpoint. I pushed all the data till the midpoint to the stack, and then I just incremented the slow and fast pointer. So now the important condition is I have to check if it is odd. So if it is odd, then I have to make the slow pointer to the next. So we can check here like if fast not equal to null. So if fast not equal to null means it is odd. So if fast not equal to null, then if fast not equal to null, then I have to make slow equal to slow dot next. Explained already, if it is null, I have to make slow equal to slow dot next. So now I have to traverse the remaining linked list. I have to traverse the remaining linked list. That I have to traverse the remaining linked list. That I am checking slow. While slow not equal to null, then what I have to do here? I have to check integer pop equal to, I'm going to pop the stack. We are having stack of integers, so I'm converting this into a integer value. Pop dot integer value. So now here I have to check if pop not equal to slow dot data is not equal, then I have to return false. It is equal. Okay, here I have to put slow equal to slow dot next, so that it just go to the next pointer. So if it is not equal, then it is false, or otherwise it is always true. So now I finished this one, and then I'm just going to print this result here. So is palindrome or not? If it is palindrome, then we will get boolean value true. If it is not palindrome, then we will get the result false. Now I am going to execute this one. So you can see here is palindrome or not, we are getting the answer true, which means that this linked list is a palindrome. So I'm going to change one thing here. So I'm giving 3453. 3453, which is not a palindrome. So here I have to get the answer as false. So I will just check it again. I'm getting true. Wait 1 minute, I'm just saving it again. I'll shift X, J. Yeah. So here you can see I'm getting false because 3453 is not a palindrome, because if we write the same thing in reverse, we straight away if we write, then it is 3453. If we write it in reverse, then it is 3543, which is not equal. That's why we are getting false. So I will just explain the this logic once again. So what I did here, so simply we took the requirements. So what are all the requirements? So I just took slow pointer and then fast pointer. We know that in linked list we have to traverse from head. That's why I took slow and fast pointer as list.head, and then I took one stack. And then first condition is I have to add the elements till the midpoint to the stack. So I'm checking two conditions: fast not equal to null. So when fast will get null, when the linked list contains even number of nodes, then the fast becomes null. When the linked list contains odd number of nodes, then fast.next equal to null. So I have to stop at both the condition. That's why I used uncondition here. So I just gave fast not equal to null, fast.next not equal to null. So I'm just adding all the data till the midpoint to the stack here, and then I'm just incrementing the pointer, slow pointer by 1, and then fast pointer by 2. So if it is if the linked list contains odd number of nodes, then I have to do this condition. So how we can tell that the linked list contains odd number of nodes? By checking fast not equal to null. If fast not equal to null, then I'm just incrementing slow by one step or one hop. I'm just incrementing slow by one hop, and then I have to traverse the remaining linked list, and at the same time I need to pop the stack, and then I just need to compare the two values. So here I give the condition like while slow not equal to null. Slow not equal to null means where the slow is not yet completed. The slow pointer is still at the midpoint, so I have to traverse from the midpoint to till the end. So I'm making like slow not equal to null. At the same time I'm just popping out the element from the stack, and I'm comparing the top and the slow dot data. If it is not equal, then I'm returning false, or otherwise I'm returning always true. So here I made condition like slow equal to slow dot next, so that it will go to the next element. So at last it becomes null. When it becomes null, then the loop stops and then exits the loop. So I think you people can able to understand what I'm telling, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.